All right. Slope formula. What is it? If all I need to do is find slope, what's my formula to do so? Over x2 minus x1. Yep. All right, Aiden, let's put that away, buddy. Thanks, sir. All right, so then my point slope form of a line is what? All right. So today we're going to kind of flip this around on you a little bit. If I give you the equation y equals 2/3 x minus 4 plus 1. What is my slope? My slope is 2/3, so that's my m, right? My point that I'm looking for, you remember, is your x1 comma y1, right? What is my x1 in this problem? Real careful. It's just 4 because it's x minus x1, right? So if that's a minus sign, this is a positive number, right? Okay, and then my y is a positive 1 as well because we want that to be a plus. Okay, so alright, so if I want to graph this, where would I start from? What point do I have? What point? What's my point? 4 and 1. 4 over 4, up 1. I now have a point. Okay, and do I know my slope? What is my slope? 2/3. So what does that tell me to do? It means to go up 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Up 2, 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3. Might go off my graph just a little bit. You must draw your line with arrows on each side. Okay, so y equals negative x plus 1 minus 3. Christian, what's my slope? Throw something out for me. Take a guess. Remember, it's the number that's outside your parentheses. Okay, so let's be careful. Negative. What number is this? This is, if there's nothing there, it's an imaginary. Yep. So my slope's going to be negative 1. Okay, so if that's imaginary, that's going to be there. So Colby, my point that I'm looking for is going to be good. Negative 1, negative 3. Because remember, this needs to be x minus x1. So in order for this to become a plus sign, it's got to be x minus negative 1 is what's going to turn that into a plus sign, right? Okay, so it's always going to be opposite what the sign is inside the parentheses. What do you notice about outside the parentheses? It's the same sign. Okay, so if I graph this guy, okay, my starting point, where I start at, is going to be where? Negative 1, negative 3. And my slope is what? -1. So that tells me to do what? Oh, you're right, it's rise over run, so -1 over 1, right? So that tells me to go down 1 and to the right 1. We always go to the right. So down 1, to the right, and there's my line. How are we feeling about this so far?
Yeah.
Decent? Alright. So let's say I have y equals -1/2 x minus 4 minus 2. What's my slope, Eden? -1/2, good. Sam, what's my point? Ooh, that's my slope. Remember, my point is my x1 and my y1. Alright, so you're right with the -2. Okay, remember, inside the parentheses, we want it to be x minus x1, right? So is this minus sign, my x1's going to be positive. Okay, so it's always going to be the opposite side of what's inside my parentheses. Does that make sense? Okay, so if I graph this, Taylor, where do I start? Right, but that doesn't tell me where I start. What tells me where I start? The point. Yep, so we're going to start where? 4, -2. So over 4, down 2. So 4, -2 is my starting point. And Renisha, since my slope is -1/2, what do I have to do? Well, careful. It's what over what? Rise over run. So that means I'm going to go. Okay, so what does that mean? Where should I go? Like if you were explaining to me where I go from this point, where should I do? Down how many? Down 1 and good. Down 1, right 2, and then do it one more time. Down 1, right 2. I've got my line. Okay, this is probably the most confusing part, right? Is finding this and figuring out what we're doing. Okay, so we gotta do another one. So let's go y equals 2 x plus 5 minus 6. Chuck, what's my slope? My slope's going to be 2. My point that I have on there is what, RJ?
5. I mean, -5.
Good. Well, -5, -6. Okay, remember it's opposite sign in the parentheses, same sign outside of the parentheses. Okay, so Marshall, starting point? -5 what? Well, that's my x, but where am I starting? Remember, points are 2 numbers. There you go. So -5, -6 is right here. Okay, and then according to my slope being 2, Talon, what do I have to do? Okay, so what does that mean? If you're telling me Okay. Into the right one, good. Up to, into the right one. And there's my line. Okay, questions? Are we still a little bit confused? I feel like we need to do a few on our own in order to kind of get these where we